Hello friend, today we are studying the pen culture by Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, NES Science College, Nanded, BSc first year, paper number 3, unit number 1st. Pen culture is defined as a rising of a fish in a volume of water enclosed on all the sides except the bottom, permitting the free circulation of water at least from one side. This system can be considered as a hybrid between pond culture and cage culture. Mostly shallow region along shore and bank of the lakes and reservoir are used in making pen and enclosed using net and wooden material where the fish can be rises. In a fish pen, the bottom of a lake forms a bottom of the pen, and pen has the advantage containing a benthenic fauna which are serve as a food for fish, and polyculture can be practiced in a pen as in a pond. Environment in a fish pen is characterized by the free exchange of water with a enclosed water body, high dissolved oxygen concentration, intensive utilization of available space. Stocking density can be increased compared to that of the pond culture system. Safety of the predator within the enclosed, the predator can be excluded. In a larger pen, this will be more difficult, but in smaller pen, it can be done efficiently. Suitability for a culture many varied species due to the availability of more species and a natural water system. Easy of harvest. The larger pen, the harvest may not be easy in a cage rearing, but it is controlled by the easier than the natural waters. Flexible in size and economy. When compared to the pen cage, pen can be made much larger and construct a cost will be cheaper than the cage culture. Availability of natural food and exchange of material with a bottom. Since bottom of pen is the natural bottom, the pen culture organism at the advantage that they can produce more food and exchange material from the natural bottom. High demand of oxygen and water flow. These are the disadvantages of a pen culture. Dependence on artificial food. Food losses. Part of the feed is likely to be lost, uneaten, and drifted away in a current, but loss here will be less than the floating cage. Pollution. Since a large biomass of fish culture intensively in a large quantity, extreme accumulate in area cause a high biological oxygen demand. BOD. Also substrate such as ammonia and excrete material, if not immediately removed or recycled, they pollute the water and causes the damage. Rapid spread of a disease. For some reason, high stocking density in an enclosed area, any disease is being well spread very quickly and can cause immense mortality in a stock and producing decline. Risk of thief. Since the fish kept in enclosed area, poaching and a thief can be placed more frequently than the natural water, but perhaps less than that of cage. Conflict with the multiple use of a natural water. In a location where the pen is constructed, if the water used for multiple purposes like irrigation, recreational activity and swimming, boating may lead to a conflict. Thank you.